Ready for wealth.
Hello everybody, it's Harry here from Worth South Africa, and today we're going to take a look at the buttonhead cable ties of Worth. They are made of polyamide, they are 4.8 millimeters wide and they are 95 millimeters long. Temperature range on these is from minus 40 degrees to 85 degrees, and they can be utilized anywhere, especially if you cannot get your hand in behind the board. Now, ever wondered how you get your tool clips not to move? You cannot get in behind the board. It's very easy. You decide where you're going to put it, you press it in, take this section, and now you take your button and you just move it in like that. The second one the same. Decide where you're going to put it, push it in there, take this, and again take the button, push it over, you take a side cutter, you cut it, and now you can place your tool in there and it is nice and sturdy. So the buttonhead self-locking small little cable ties is ideal. Thank you.